Hi everyone, good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to delete your status on WhatsApp. Okay, first things first, let's start by posting a status. So, I am going to post a status and then I'll show you how to delete it. Here we are on my status page on WhatsApp. To add a new status, just click on the camera icon to the right of your current status. Take a picture or choose one from your gallery and then click send in the bottom right to add it to your status. Once you have added your status, you can view it by clicking on the My Status button. This will show you your updates regarding your uploaded status. To delete your status, it is quite simple. You can either click Edit or tap on the three dots next to each status update. Then, just press Delete. Click Delete to click Delete to remove one status update or use the Edit option to select the statuses you want to delete. After that, just tap on Delete in the bottom right again and it should delete your status. As simple as it is, hopefully this solves your problem. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can now delete your status on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.